Looking for a quick, entertaining method of increasing team knowledge sharing capabilities? In this video, let's see how two knowledge-based apps designed for efficient collaboration stand up against each other, Nuclino and Notion. So let's start with Nuclino. Features that distinguish Nuclino are speed, structure, and collaborative working in real time. Notion distinguishes itself by flexibility, database, and customization options. For the pricing, Nuclino provides you with a free package along with limited capacity and basic features, and also includes conventional paid packages calculated per user. Notion provides its users with a substantial free package and plus business and enterprise packages. For its strengths, the strength of Nuclino lies in its speed and ease of use. The software works out of the box without any unnecessary elements and provides quick access. Everything related to searching and editing in it is quick and easy. The software was designed to be productive and is simple to use, even by people who are not very tech savvy. The strength of Notion is the ability to customize everything within the software. Everything can be converted into blocks and rearranged in any way needed. Different views such as Kanban boards and tables can be created, calculations inserted, files added to cells, and a dashboard created to manage different processes. For availability, both applications are available online and have corresponding desktop and mobile versions. Notion has a well-developed ecosystem with numerous integrations and templates created by users. For collaboration and organization, Nuclino's ability to edit in real time is quick. Changes occur immediately. There is a graphical page linking system combined with boards, tables, and organization and visuals. Nuclino suits teams and startups requiring wikis and shared documents but does not require learning too much. Notion provides real-time editing capabilities, threading, mentions, and advanced permissions. The organization involves nested pages and relational databases. However, it requires careful use due to nesting. So, which one is better? Nuclino is great for those who desire distraction-free and quick collaboration and clean design, and it suits small teams and startups working on wikis and documents. Notion is the best choice when it comes to versatility and complicated workflows thanks to customizable databases, templates, and dashboards. However, it needs setting up and is a bit confusing for beginners. If collaboration is what you enjoy, then you should go for Nuclino. If not, and you want a platform that can do anything but is complicated, choose Notion.